Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So our first target is 12 USD dollar. If you can see here, the target number one is 12 USD dollar and the target number U is 22 USD dollar. So how is it possible? When it is possible, my friends? Which time you can see here, my friends, they will hit this target? Absolutely, after a very big technical analysis, my friends, we understand then exactly, my friends, to which point they will hit, my friend, and after my friends, very big jumps they can do this. So let's see, my brother. Kindly, before I get started this video, kindly I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much everyone for subscribing our YouTube channel. My brother, this time you can see here, first of all, if you can see here the start of this coin, brother, you can see here, and this is the lifetime chart. You can see here this time, one day, the first day, you can see 2025. This chart is available on the screen. So my brother, in the start of this my friend's coin, you can see here they're starting of a very fastly massive jump after of a motion, my brother. You can see here. So exactly, I remember this jump, my brother. I remember this jump, and if you can see here, my friends, they sometimes they take this type jump, like most this time very high jump, but absolutely definitely you can see here, my friends, they completely take this type jump. They cannot take a high jump from that. So absolutely, my friend, if you can see here, this time you can see here after a big jump they also fails down. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. You can see here they can hit the resistance line. The resistance line is come out here, my brother. So you can see here the resistance line is the dot line. You can see here, my brother, the dot line is the resistance line. So you can see, my brother, which time they hit the resistance line, they completely goes to the profit. So exactly, my friends, come to this point. If you can see here, this time the this point is completely they fails down. You can see here, especially in those days, if you see the latest chart, exactly, my friend, you just subscribe to this channel and absolutely available my videos, my update is available on my channel. Go ahead now and watch the charts videos. So this time you can see here the latest updates. So this time you can see here, my brother, we make this target from this point. You could say, my brother, especially you can see here, this is the nicely time, my brother, nice time to you buy it. Exactly, my brother. Remember, this is not a financial video, my brother. This is not a financial video. I just give you advice. Especially in those days, all crypto market is very badly falls down. You can say, my brother, especially very badly falls down. Therefore I make this chart, I make this technical analysis. There is a chance to upcoming time they will hit, my friends, the high point. They will hit my friends, the 10 USD dollar, 12 USD dollar to 22 USD dollar. Then absolutely I understand exactly, my friend, this is possible to they hit these two targets. I hope they will hit it now very easily, because if you can see, my friend, and just in only in 2022, my brother, there is no big time, my brother. Just in only you need to wait for the 2022. It's possible, my brothers, to wait, they will hit in 2022. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand. You can see, my brother, they completely moving very badly fails from previous days, and they cannot cross the resistance line. But definitely, my friends, I hope in upcoming time they will go completely in the moon. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.